Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use TurboTax software. First, select the TurboTax product that best fits your tax needs, whether for simple returns or complex situations like investments. Next, create a new account or sign in if you're a returning user. TurboTax offers various service levels, from a free edition for basic returns to premium options with expert assistance, ensuring you find the right fit for your comfort and complexity. Before you even open the software, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tax documents. This includes income statements like your W-2 from employers and various 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget documents related to potential deductions and credits, such as mortgage interest statements or student loan interest forms. Having everything organized beforehand will make the data entry process much smoother and faster, saving you valuable time. Once your documents are ready, you'll begin entering your information into TurboTax. The software guides you through a clear, step-by-step interview process, asking simple questions about your income, deductions, and credits. You can often import data directly from hundreds of financial institutions and employers, which significantly reduces manual entry. Take your time to review each section thoroughly to ensure all details are accurate and complete. The final steps involve reviewing your return and filing it. TurboTax performs comprehensive accuracy checks, flagging any potential errors or missing information for your attention. Carefully review your entire return one last time to confirm everything is correct and you haven't overlooked anything. Finally, you'll have the option to electronically file your return for a quick refund or print and mail it if you prefer a paper submission.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.